everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In today's episode, we will be learning how to rename a design in Canva. Launch open your Canva application to get started on your mobile device, or you can also visit canva.com and log in. After you're inside the home page of Canva, go ahead and scroll through the Recent Designs tab from the home page and select a design you want to rename. Tap on the three dots right above your design and click on the little pencil icon appearing right in the pop-up. Now go ahead and rename your project or design. After you are done, you will then be able to change your design's name. To view your design, go to Projects button at the bottom and all of your recent designs will be listed. You will then be able to locate your designs easier after you name them like this. Renaming does not change any content in the design itself, so you can just go ahead and do it right away without thinking twice. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. See you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.